Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into our energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take a resonate, leave it does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that energy fly. Let's go ahead and get into it and see what the heck y'all got going on. Where we pulling from? We are pulling from Tales from the Heart. What y'all got going on? Okay, two of them came out. What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Those of you that have not subscribed as of yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Show your girl some love if you have not hit that like button as of yet. If you're looking to get a personal reading, down below in the description box. What y'all got going on, though? What is anchored in this reading for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective, free spirit? It's like, why is it more than one card that wants to come out for y'all? There's a lot that need to be said. We got colors. Let's take a look at colors. Okay, someone is hiding their true sexual identity. This card also speaks of someone showing their true colors. So either somebody's showing their true sexual identity or someone showing their true colors, showing you exactly who they are, and you shouldn't even second guess it. All right, don't make up any excuses for any daggone body. They showing you who they are. Believe it. So let's go ahead and take a look at colors. What's going on? Colors. What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective with the colors? Colors. Okay. One more for colors. So, yo, the first thing I thought about is somebody showing their true colors. That's the first thing I noticed. It looked like there's an energy of someone exuding an energy of anger, fury, madness, and unpleasantness. I feel like this is towards anything that you want to pursue. I feel like you got a hater in your energy, y'all. That whoever this person is can make it seem like they for you or speak about how they for you, they support you, and they want to be there for you. But when it's time for them to be there, they're nowhere to be found. I feel like whoever this person is just simply trying to create or cause some sort of stagnation to something that you are doing. Pause or break or stop it or something like that. And I'm seeing like there's an energy of somebody learning a lesson or getting ready to learn the lesson. It's talking about live and learn. You learned it because you lived it. It's through some sort of experience with dealing with whoever this person is that they want to control you. That's what I'm seeing here. They want to be some sort of dictator. They want to dominate you. They want to control your every move. Even what you're trying to manifest or bring in with this imagination here, this is also let me feel like this is coming off as the high priestess energy. It seems like whoever you are, it seems like you are very intuitive, have some sort of psychic abilities or some sort of gifts or something like that. Number 74, 12, 27, 15, 63 can be significant. Yeah, I'm hearing your mind is brilliant. Your imagination, the things that you're bringing in is amazing. And it seems like this person is like working against or counteracting the things that you're trying to bring in because it's like this person wants to control not only you, but the things that you are doing. Like, should nobody want that amount of dominion over anybody? Like, this is weird, weird energy. Clarify fury. One more for fury. Yeah, this is, I knew it. I knew it's a hating ass bitch. I'm seeing energy of celebration, right? You guys over here celebrating because something came in unexpectedly, and this is not a bad tower. I'm seeing the Ten of Pentacles, a large lump sum of money or something like that. Some sort of will, some sort of inheritance. And as you're over here celebrating, you're happy and things like that. You got this bitch over this bitch mad, feeling some type of way. Hater. Whoever this person is, the same person that's mad because of good things happen for you is the same motherfucker manifesting bad things for you. I'm definitely showing some sort of ending, a new beginning. I feel like this person getting angry because this is what releases you from. I heard claws. This is what releases you from under their I don't want to say leadership. That's the first thing I heard was leadership. I heard it releases you from their claws. It releases you from their grasp. That's what I'm showing here. Look, look. I told you this is an energy of somebody that wanted to keep you in the energy of restriction. They wanted to keep you stuck. They wanted to keep you trapped. They wanted to keep you under control. And them getting angry because something coming in for you is because they tried to stagnate or stop or possibly pause something for you. This person, true colors, is definitely, they are showing them. Okay? Pay attention. All right? I'm also seeing an energy of you receiving good news or something like that with the Page of Pentacles. This is also like an energy of this person breadcrumbing you, giving you something, doing something for you, something very small. That's what I'm seeing here. All right. And they'll call this them investing time, money, or energy into you. But it's like as they're only doing something as out of control. Again, out of control, or possibly them wanting something from you in return. This person is not right. This person wants control over your spirit. They want control over you. They want to control what you think, what you dress, how you who you talk to, when you talk to them, where you go, as if you can't control yourself or you have no mind of your own. Something is wrong with this person. This is like Agent Smith. Like this motherfucker is working for the Matrix. They want to control your every fucking being. Look, and then they try to get away with it. This is the energy of someone just simply operating out of self-sabotage. Okay. This person not paying attention to themselves or the things that they need to pay attention to. They too busy focused on you. And in turn will sabotage whatever the heck they got going on. Look, I'm seeing there's an energy of like carrying a whole lot of burdens. I feel like this person possibly wants you to carry their burdens. Okay. Or become a burden for you, become some sort of hindrance, become some sort of blockage for you, especially when it comes to some sort of celebration. This is also like an energy of like a returning, like some it's like you're returning back to your energy of abundance and joy and freedom and happiness and fertileness. And this person don't like that. Something is up with this energy. This has got to be a demon. This has got to be a demon, and this motherfucker been following you for a very long time. And it goes from person to person to person. I don't know who this person is, but you pay attention. This person, true colors. I don't know if they show their true colors or they getting ready to show their true colors. But something not right with this person. But Spirit has let me know that you guys learn a lesson, especially when it comes to whoever this individual is. Clarify, live, and learn. Live and learn for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. What's going on with this live and learn? One more. Yeah, clarify and live and learn. I'm definitely showing that there was some sort of, it may be some sort of magic or something like that. Or maybe, I don't know if this person was doing magic or you are manifesting, which I already knew. I see you guys manifesting. So I'm seeing a multitude of things. You guys manifesting, bringing something in, and I'm seeing you guys being a powerful manifester. This is talking about you having all the tools. You having all the tools, internally, externally, to move on, especially in regards to making some sort of choice or decision when it comes to this person with this live and learn. I'm showing it may have been long overdue. I'm seeing something moving very slow with the Knight of Pentacles. But nonetheless, but with the Knight of Pentacles, it speaks of divine timing, but it also speaks of perseverance. At the bottom of the deck is still this person here. They think they're getting away with something. I see them smiling. Now, this is the type of person, if you look closely, you see how the person in the back, they crying, they sad. You got this person laughing and looking. This is the energy of this person stealing or taking from you. They lying to you. This is almost like an energy of them stealing some sort of truth or make sure you don't see any truth or try to hide some sort of truth or something like that. And I'm seeing you being protected. Whether they see it or not, there's some sort of protection here behind you. And it look like in the end, this person is being left out in the cold. There's an energy of them experiencing bad luck. This is the energy of this person that claim to be going through some recession. They going through bad luck and they claim like, hey, it's a recession going on with everybody when it actually is not. It's going on with you. You guys learned the lesson. You coming out as the wounded warrior, very protective of your energy, especially when it comes to whoever this person is. This is coming out as some sort of nostalgic energy. Like I said, this entity, because that's what it feel like, an entity utilizing somebody that has to person to person to person to keep an eye on you and also to keep you stagnant. But then it comes as an energy of wanting to help you or trying to give you things and things like that. But it's only to keep you comfortable, to keep you stopped, keep you stuck, keep you stopped. And it was required for you to view things from a different perspective. I'm seeing hangman. This hangman energy is also as an energy of waiting. It's like spirit had you in a situation waiting for you to see the patterns, to pay attention, to view things from a different perspective, gain some sort of enlightenment before you let this motherfucker go. Because that's exactly what happens. You let this person go. I'm seeing fulfillment coming in for you. I'm seeing an energy of well-being and blessings. Number 23 could be significant. You could possibly have air in your chart. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini may be very much significant. Okay. I'm seeing that there's a masculine energy out here with this emperor energy, coupled here with this. So there's like a father figure, a husband, or some sort of masculine energy that is coupled here with this high priestess energy. What's going on? Yep. And things coming to a completion, the ending of a contract or a cycle. You may possibly even have children with whoever this person is. You could have been married with them, long-term relationship, it doesn't matter. But like I stated before, there's a masculine here sitting with a high priestess. Like I stated before, I already knew that. I seen the high priestess when I seen imagination. I already knew you were psychic, very intuitive, you utilize divination and things like that. Spirit reveal things that are hidden to you. But all that required for you is to sit in total silence and wait and pay attention to the pay attention to the I don't want to say pay attention to the cycles or it's like pay attention to like it made me forget what I wanted to say. Pay attention to the things that they're doing over and over and over again is what I wanted to say, if that makes sense. Because it's definitely a pattern. It has been a pattern for quite some time. Yeah, I'm seeing whoever this person is being left out in the cold. There's an energy of experiencing some sort of loss. There's an energy of being defeated. Look, this person thought they weren't going to be found. I told you they were trying to. I told you this like it was the energy of this person thinking they're going to get away with it. They think they can't be seen. They think the things are hidden. They think it's a secret, and you still win. You still win.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.